Welcome back, everybody. Happy Independence Day to those of you in the US. What's better than freedom? Free stuff, and that's what I'm going to be giving away, as I usually do at the beginning of every month. Well, I'm not going to be giving it away today. I'm going to be announcing what I'm giving away. But first, before we get to all that fun stuff, I did want to give a special shout out to my patrons. If you're not familiar with patrons, those are basically the people who have joined my Patreon team. Patreon is a way that you can show your appreciation to your favorite YouTubers. If you're interested in supporting my channel, there is a link below. And part of my thanks to all of my patrons is giving them that monthly shout out, as well as showing you what's going on in their YouTube lives if they have a YouTube channel. And I'm very excited to say that I did get 2 new patrons this month. That's Jose Gonzales and Bev, who has a YouTube channel, and she calls herself Spooky Bev. And we're going to take a look at her channel here in just a second. But then some of my longtime patrons as well. We have Craig Thomas, Carla Perea, Allison Waldron, Rosemary Latham, Gareth Frewer, CareyAnn Thomas, Shannon Fredrickson, Prince Alarming 85, Teara, Stephen Miles, and Annie Jones. And Gareth and Annie also have channels. Let's go ahead and jump right in and see what they are up to. All right, so first up here we have Spooky Bev's channel. Now, Spooky Bev here has 16 subscribers, and I think we can all help her out a little bit with that. So make sure that you check out her channel here and subscribe. And now she is a Halloween fan, just like all of us here, I think. So as we can scroll through her page, she has a number of videos about her Halloween parties and shopping with Bev and so forth. So it looks like, I always like to see what's going on in the latest videos, and it looks like 2 months ago she attended the Mad Monster Party. Sorry about that. And it is her very first horror con. So we can explore what she saw here at the horror con, as well as her other videos. So again, make sure you check out Spooky Bev's channel. And Spooky Bev, thank you for being a patron. I really appreciate your support, and hope I can give back to you with a little bit of support from my followers. So again, everyone out there, make sure you check out her channel. We have Create at Home with G. Now that's Gareth Frewer's page. Gareth, again, is on a bit of a hiatus, so we haven't had any new videos since Easter, but he's still out there, and he has lots of old videos that we can check out until he makes his return. He does lots of fun crafting videos, DIYs and decorating and so forth. Lots of fantastic ideas that he comes up with that he shares with you. Make sure you check him out too. And then last up we have Annie Jones, who also does fun crafting videos, but she has her own special twist here, dressing up as wonderful characters from books and movies and TV shows, and presents all of her fun crafting videos in a fantastic way. So be sure to check her out. And her latest video is actually called Summer with Plaid. She is an ambassador for Plaid products, and you can see some of her new crafting ideas using those products in her latest video. Thank you, Gareth, Annie, and Bev for being patrons, as well as everyone else who I named who doesn't have a channel. I really appreciate your support, and thank you very much. And thank all of you out there as well who haven't joined my Patreon team but watch my videos. It's really, I really love having you out there and commenting on all of my videos and interacting with you. Gives me something to do all day, so I love it. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. But now what you are all really here for is the fun giveaway this month. And since last month we had such an overwhelming interest in my cardboard box that I gave away, I decided to give away another cardboard box this month. And I have filled it with just some of the stuff that I have started accumulating that I just need to let go. So making room for all the new stuff that I buy in all of my haul videos. In fact, probably watched the one just prior to this video was another haul video. Got lots more stuff, nowhere to put it. In fact, some of that stuff will be going in some of these future giveaways already, but enough about that. Let's just dive right in and see some of the things that you might win if you are the winner of this month's giveaway. Like this little spooky sign from, let's see, I don't know where it's from, but it was $2.99 originally, so you know, it's kind of cute. But not only do you get one, you get its little brother here. You get a pumpkin and a skull, little signs. So they're fun and cute. If you feel crafty, you're going to get this little foam frames kit. You can make a couple of picture frames here. It looks like this is a cat head with a witch's hat, or you can get a frame, or not get, but there is a picture frame with some skeletons, some spiders, and some spider webs. So there's that. Next up, if you are continuing to feel crafty, you can stamp things with these little foam stampers and a little stamp pad. Now, I've had this in my sort of crafting box of Halloween junk for quite a while. I'm trying to see if there's a date on the back of here. There is not. I don't know where this came from. Kind of looks like it might have been from the Dollar Tree. No clue at this point. But stamper could work still. I don't know. We have a CD for you to listen to while you are crafting. This was the classical Halloween music. There is 25 tracks on here with fantastic, it looks like it, I mean, I'm sure I've listened to this, but I don't remember. It's been forever. It's got tracks called Petrified or Don't Move, but then there's also some classical music on here like Night on Bald Mountain and Toccata and Fugue in D minor and so forth. So lots of fun things you can listen to while you're putting together your frame and stamping pictures. Or maybe you'll use those stamps on these invitations. So if you're going to have a Halloween party, here are 2 sets of 8 Halloween party invitations. It says it's a party. It also has the cute little spiders that look almost exactly like the cute little spiders on the frame. I couldn't have planned that any better if I tried. I didn't try, but it just happened. And at your party, you can throw around some of these foil icons, they call them. They're little jack-o'-lanterns. Just little foil things you can scatter around at your party. Then, of course, to set the mood, you'll have this little votive candle holder. It is a little owl there with some bats. It's very shiny, kind of hard to see there, but trust me, it's there. And you can serve things on this witch plate. It is microwave and dishwasher safe, according to the back. It's got a little stand there, so it doesn't just sit on the table. It's a little raised. Not sure where I got that. Probably from the Goodwill, where I get lots of my fun stuff here. All right. You can also... All right, I'm just going to show you this guy because he's kind of popping out of the box. Now, you may remember him from one of my previous haul videos. He's also a Goodwill find. He didn't quite work. I don't know. Maybe you'll be able to fix him. I wasn't even about to try. Maybe he just needs better batteries. I don't know. But if anything, he makes excellent atmosphere. And he's creepy. And if you get him to work, I don't know what he does. Maybe he talks. La la la. Got a little something on his nose. He's a little brown noser. He's got brown on there. Anyway. Hopefully, I don't know what that was. You can also serve things in one of these fun Snoopy bowls that we saw in my last haul video. Got Snoopy and Woodstock there with some pumpkins. It says trick or treat. It's kind of cute. A couple of more of those little Woodstock birds. Is there just one Woodstock? I mean, who are the other birds? Do they have names? I don't know. Are they all just Woodstock? But, all right. And you also get this little ceramic pumpkin. It is also a votive holder. Or not votive, tea light holder, I think. Yeah. Anyway, it's a witch sitting on top of a pumpkin. The witch has little air holes, so, you know, it won't get too hot. And I can't promise that this and that, even that maybe, are going to survive the trip. I'll try to bubble wrap it. If I can get it all to fit back in the box after I do that, I don't know. And then one last item is this fun thing, which is, again, something I bought for one of my haul videos. In fact, it was at least before last Halloween, because I know I didn't use this last Halloween even though it was there. But it is a solar 7-color changing LED pumpkin hat. So you carve your pumpkin, you can stick this thing on. Kind of, if you can see it here, it's got a little stem, so it'll look like the stem of a pumpkin, and it's got a little solar panel, I guess, there, and it will light up. Maybe, hopefully. It's kind of cool. If that does it, that's all I could squeeze into the box. Hopefully, again, once I get it bubble wrapped, I'll be able to squeeze it all back in. I'll do my best. Hopefully you'll get it all. I'm sure you will. If not, I'll make it up to you somehow. But how are you going to win this fun allotment of crap? Well, you need to leave me a comment below by, let's say, we'll just do it next Wednesday. I believe that is the 10th. As usual, I like to do these drawings live, so we'll do it live on the 10th, 9 p.m. Eastern. I'll have a chat room set up on YouTube that I'll put on the page so you'll know when it's happening. And basically, if you join me live, it's a lot of fun. We put out a clue board. I put everybody's name who's entered, associate it with a clue character, put them all around the board, and live we eliminate rooms one at a time, kill off everybody until there's one person standing. That person who survives the clue elimination wins the fun prize. And I don't know, we'll just sell it all and retire? Who knows? Drift off into the sunset, enjoying your fantastic winnings. So Wednesday the 10th, and how are you going to win? Well, the question that you have to answer in the comment below is going to pertain back to Spooky Bev's channel. So let's just take another quick look. Since Spooky Bev is our latest patron with a YouTube channel, I want to make sure that we all send her some love. So again, on her channel, you can check out her last Halloween party or her Halloween display. She called it Nightmare on 5th Street from 2018. So it looks like she has a couple of nighttime videos and a daytime walkthrough. And what I want you to do is check out her walkthrough. Let me know in the comments below and leave her a comment. Let her know that you were coming from here. And just let us know what was your favorite part of her walkthrough. Again, leave a comment on both of our channels and that will get you entered into the drawing for this fabulous prize. And again, we will do that drawing live next Wednesday, the 10th, 9 p.m. Make sure you're there. Don't want to miss it. It is a lot of fun. But that'll do it for today. I want to thank all of my patrons one last time. I really appreciate all of your support. And again, all of you out there, thank you for watching. Take care and happy haunting.